Hey everybody, I'm Nick Zavala, President of American Home Contractors. This holiday season, we're partnering with Sleep in Heavenly Peace, a nonprofit that's delivered over 350,000 beds nationwide. And we're working with the incredible team right here locally who've already built 600 plus beds for kids in our area. There are kids right here in our own backyard who don't have a bed to sleep in. Not a mattress, not a pillow, just the floor. And that's where we come in. Our goal is to raise $6,000. That's 20 beds start to finish, and we're not just sponsoring them. We'll be building them ourselves, cutting, sanding, staining, with delivery scheduled the following week. And here's the best part. American Home Contractors will match every dollar you give. So your $50 becomes $100, your $300, a full bed. There are 34 kids already waiting and more requests coming in every week. So I'm asking you, help us close that gap. Show up, chip in, help us build something that matters. Let's do something bigger than ourselves this holiday season and give a child a safe place to sleep.